I should have loosened up the water pump pulley bolts before I took the belt off. Pretend you didn't see that. These are tight. I didn't have to put that belt on again. Huh, professional. Oops. Get off of there. What's the problem, officer? Where are you? Right there. Whoa. Don't set that down there. Can a screwdriver be too big? Oh, my finger. Yeah. I'm not going in for another screwdriver. Pretty sure I've had this off in my lifetime. But there she blows. We got a bleeder. Man. Half inch. GM really got its money worth. Is that really all I need? Get rid of the old red green. Oh. Guess I didn't get it drained. Whee! I have no Ooh, hello. There I am. Front facing. I have no tripod today. Just kind of propped up. All right. We are rolling. It's a new day. It's a new color shirt. Just really trying to get you on an angle that works for all of us. And where is that pulley? I had a little spacer here that came with the old water pump. I'm assuming I'll need it. I thought I had enough time to change this, but you know how it is. There's never enough time. Shooting video. Some of you know the struggle. Working on stuff. It's just, I get in the mindset. I just want to get stuff done. But I enjoy the editing process as well, and the creativity of the camera work. So if I don't shoot this, I feel like I'm missing out a bit. That makes sense. So I didn't use any silicone on the gasket. I think that was a stock water pump from 53 years. No. 57 years ago? I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Lasted 57 years without an RTV. Well, it's a lot easier job without a fan. fixed fan. Loving the idea of this electric fan. I'm sure I shared it. It just transformed the truck. Oh, the water pump. Goodness. Oh my goodness. One of the water pump bolts is for the alternator. There we go. Yeah, I might need that. Okay, let's do it again. Man, I sure know how to make my life difficult. There we go. Snug. Another one. You know, sometimes it's just a struggle. Get you at the right angle. And this is what I can see. Get on there. I'm not a fan of these clamps, but you know, let's use what you got. Good angles. Yeah, that should do it. Turbo power. Do I need a turbo to use this? Or it'll give me the power of a turbo. Ooh. Yes, please. Easy. Easy. Left. Oh. Man, why do I want a Chablis right now? A little bit of the bubbly. Oy. All right. Not entirely sure where to put you where you're not gonna fall down. So that you're looking at, this is the rad here, and overflow. This is the oil fill. So gave her a little prime. Oh, you can see the air filter. Yeah, okay. Let's sure give it a shot. Sucked it back. Easy now. Easy now. Easy. Oh yeah. Look, keep your eye on the ball. Oh, what are you looking at? Nosy. Holy. Is it like draining onto the ground? We'll just let her sit, but thanks for watching.